Hi, Ashley here at Lancaster Automart A2B. I'm the internet specialist here. We run under our parent company, which is Lancaster Honda. Today we got another SUV in stock, which is the Seat Tarraco 1.5 EVO XCELLENCE LUX. Really nice color as well, in black, full black with silver roof rails on top and silver trims running here and there. Came off really nice customer. He's taken good care of it. Credit to him. Got this LED headlights, they're automatic as well. Got LED fog lights, front and rear parking sensors, along with a 360 camera, which is nice. In this video I'll be showing you around the car, and any wear and tear if I spot I'll let you know as well. Got 20-inch alloys, nice and lovely, not that badly scuffed or anything. Got the LED light on the wing mirror there, second alloy there. Show you the interior. Real lovely leather interior. It's a 7-seater as well. You do have these platforms for your kids. Hang on, you got rear climate control along with the USB, and there are heated seats as well. All 4 automatic windows. You do have rear seats. It's a 7-seater like I said, which is nice. Show you the boot space on this car. Very lovely. The LED tail lights, rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera just under there. Got powered tailgate. It comes in handy nowadays. Very nice. Just the previous owner has taken it out, but you do have a spare wheel now, and the parcel shelf. I'll just fold this seats down. You have a parcel shelf there, and also the spare tire and the tire repair kit under there. So fold this down, got a lovely big boot, which is nice, as you can see. See ya. Turn it out. No faults at all. Nice and lovely. Third alloy. As you can see, brand new tires as well. The fourth alloy there. So yeah, I'll jump in and I'll show you inside. You got keyless entry as well, which is nice. Got your all 4 automatic windows along with your wing mirror function. They're heated as well. Alternately, you can open your boot from here. Your locking system, automatic headlights. You got your 10-inch digital cockpit, which is nice. You can customize your views and also the background on it. How cool is that? Yeah, so the car's done 109,471 miles, which is nothing on these cars. Multifunction steering wheel for the sides. You do have your high beams down there. You got adaptive cruise control with speed limiter mode, and also your wipers down there. Lovely TFT screen up here, which tells you everything. Very informative. Do have navigation as standard. There you go. Do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Tells you your vehicle information if any faults or anything comes up. Air condition shows you can manually convert from here for the rears since you can't reach it down there. Down here we got max AC, which is nice. Heated seats for front driver and the passenger with 3 settings. Couple of USBs down there, storage space to the hood on. You got 12-volt socket, start stop button just down there. It's too shiny today. And your parking brake along with the auto hold, which is nice. I'll just show you the auto on and off. You got your parking mode and also 360 camera, which I'll show you now. There we go, lovely clear camera. You can change the modes as per your preference. So yeah, so the car is here with us. We'll live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.